Welcome! Today we're going to clear the jam tray error on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. We will begin by pulling the paper tray completely out of the machine. If there is jammed paper in the tray opening, remove it using both hands. Remove the paper from the paper tray. Ensure that the tray guides are not pushed too tightly against the paper, which can cause jamming. Fan the paper and reload it into the paper tray. Also verify that the paper is not loaded above the maximum fill line. Replace the paper tray firmly inside the machine. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.